In today's digital age, businesses are constantly seeking innovative ways to stay ahead of the competition. One such method is through the development of robust and scalable web applications. But with the ever-evolving landscape of technology, companies often find themselves faced with the challenge of keeping up with the latest trends and technology. Now that's where outsourcing Laravel web development services can make all the difference. Laravel, known for its elegant syntax and powerful features, has become the preferred choice for building modern web applications. However, harnessing the full potential of Laravel requires expertise as well as experience. Now let's have a look at some benefits of outsourcing Laravel web development services. Access to expertise. Outsourcing gives you access to skilled Laravel developers with extensive experience building complex web applications. These experts stay updated with latest Laravel trends and best practices, ensuring high quality development. Cost effectiveness. Outsourcing Laravel development can significantly reduce costs compared to hiring an in-house team. You save on recruitment, training, infrastructure, and overhead expenses, allowing you to allocate resources more efficiently. Faster time to market. With a dedicated team of Laravel developers, you actually can accelerate the development process. Outsourcing companies typically follow streamlined workflows and agile methodologies, enabling quicker delivery of projects without compromising on quality. Scalability and flexibility. Outsourcing provides flexibility to scale your development team based on project requirements. Whether you need to ramp up resources for a large-scale project or scale down during quieter periods, outsourcing allows you for seamless adjustments to your process. Focus on your core competencies. By entrusting Laravel development to external experts, you actually can focus on your core business activities. Outsourcing frees up internal resources, allowing your team to concentrate on strategic initiatives and business growth. Now, let's talk about the price. When it comes to the cost of outsourcing Laravel web development services, it can vary depending on several factors. The first one is project complexity. The complexity of your project plays a significant role in determining the cost. Projects with intricate features, extensive functionality, or integration requirements may require more resources and thus incur higher costs. Second is the scope of work. The scope of work defines the tasks and deliverables of the project. Projects with well-defined scopes are generally easier to estimate and may be priced more competitively. However, projects with evolving requirements or frequent changes may require a more flexible pricing approach. Then comes the part of developer expertise. The level of expertise and experience of a Laravel developer involved in your project can impact the cost. Highly skilled developers with extensive experience may command higher rates but can also deliver superior results in a shorter time frame. Now let's talk about the pricing model. The pricing model you choose, whether it's a fixed price time and material, dedicated team, or hybrid, will also influence the overall cost. Each pricing model offers its own advantages and considerations. So it's essential to select the one that aligns best with your project requirements and budget. When it comes to choosing an outsourcing partner for your Laravel development needs, Softtrix stands out as an ideal choice. Here's why Softtrix is the perfect outsourcing partner. Firstly, expertise in Laravel development. Softtrix boasts of a team of seasoned developers with extensive experience in Laravel development. Their proficiency in the framework ensures that your projects are executed with precision and finesse. Secondly, being proven track record. With a track record of successful projects and satisfied clients, Softtrix demonstrates reliability and commitment to delivering top-notch solutions. Their portfolio showcases a diverse range of Laravel applications tailored to meet various business requirements. Then comes the part of scalability and flexibility. Softtrix offers scalable solutions to accommodate your evolving needs. Whether you are a startup looking to build a minimum viable product or an established enterprise seeking to revamp your existing web application, Softtrix can tailor their services to suit your project scope and scale. Then comes the part of transparent communication. Effective communication is paramount in any outsourcing partnership, and Softtrix excels in this aspect. They maintain open lines of communication throughout the project lifecycle, providing regular updates and seeking feedback to ensure alignment with your expectations. Now let's talk about cost-effective solutions. Softtrix understands the importance of cost effectiveness in today's competitive market. They offer competitive pricing without compromising on quality, thus enabling you to maximize your return on your investment in Laravel development. Therefore, don't settle for anything less than excellence when outsourcing your Laravel development projects. Choose Softtrix as your trusted partner and experience the difference firsthand. Contact us today to discuss your Laravel development requirements and take your web application to the next level. Hope the information shared in this video was of value. In case you have any feedback or comment, please get in touch with us through our website or through the WhatsApp number provided. And also, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.